Mystery book study. What's going on? How everybody doing? We'll be continuing with the Lost Book of Enki. Now this, like I said before, I explained, this is the Babylonian version, basically of the Book of Enoch. From what I'm gathering, it really has a lot in common with the Book of Enoch. And I'll be explaining that more as we progress with the reading. And this is the first tablet. Going into the words of the Lord Enki that are written by the scribe from the first section. The words of Lord Enki, firstborn son of Anu, who reigns on the Biru, with heavy spirit are other laments. Laments that are bitter fill my heart. How smitten is the land, its people delivered to the evil wind, its stables abandoned, its sheepfolds empty. How smitten are the cities, their people piled up as dead corpses, affected by the evil wind. How smitten are the fields, their vegetation withered, touched by the evil wind. How smitten are the rivers, nothing swims anymore, pure sparkling waters turn to poison. Of his black-headed people, Sumer is empty, gone is all life. Of his cattle and sheep, Sumer is empty. Silent is the hum of churning milk. In his glorious cities only the wind howls, death is the only smell. The temples whose heads to heaven arose by their gods have been abandoned. Of lordship and kingship command there is none. Scepter and tiara are gone. On the banks of the two great rivers, once lush and life-giving, only weeds grow. No one treads the highways, no one seeks out the roads. Flourishing Sumer is like an abandoned desert. How smitten is the land, home of gods and men. On that land a calamity fell, one unknown to man. A calamity that mankind had never before seen, one that could not be withstood. On all the lands from west to east a disruptive hand of terror was placed. The gods and their cities were helpless as men. An evil wind, a storm born in a distant plain. A great calamity wrought in its path. A death-dealing wind born in the west in its way to the east has made its course set by fate. A storm devouring as a deluge by wind and not by water. A destroyer by poisoned air, not tidal waves, overwhelming. From what I'm understanding, it sounds like a terrible catastrophe that happened on the planet after the flood of Noah, because it's being compared to the flood of Noah, except it's winds and poison air and such. More than likely, as we will uncover later, it's probably a nuclear attack. How would nuclear attack happen in such ancient times? We'll explain later. More will be